Hey guys, what's up? It's Fern. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another Planty video. So today I actually had planned to film something else, but I have been meaning to water my Ikea greenhouse cabinet and just kind of check out all the plants in there, see if there's anything that needs to be done. So I thought, why not just film a video, bring you with me, we can check out all the plants, give them some water, and yeah, maybe we'll even wipe down the glass. You never know, might get wild, might get crazy. So if you are interested in coming along on this plant tour journey with me, then just keep on watching. Hopefully the sound is gonna be okay. I'm still like fiddling with my new mic and my new setup and everything, so yeah. Okay, so looking in here, I know that honestly most of these plants are going to need a drink, so I will probably take them out. We'll take them to the sink, give them a drink, kind of give them a once over. I just put these Hoya in here probably like a week ago, so I definitely want to take a look at how they're doing. And I want to move this fry deck down lower. I think it's getting way too much light in that spot. The leaves have some like bleaching. Oh, and also look at this. New Thai constellation leaf. Oh my gosh, so exciting. I feel like this is gonna be the one that has fenestrations, you guys. I feel like it. Keep you updated on that. Okay, I'm just gonna start taking plants out and getting ready to water them. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix up some fertilizer water to use for these guys. So I have been loving the GrowTech Vitamax Pro. It's pretty much all I've been using for the past few months, and I just have repurposed this little dropper, which was from my ordinary skincare. I just washed it out and now I just use it for my fertilizer. So I put 3 little, it only goes up, fills up to that much. So I just put 3 of those in my watering can, and I fill it up with tap water. A little messy, but I clean it all up at the end. Okay, and I am just going to, oh my goodness. I'm always like talking and then I notice something. Look at this new growth point on my Philodendron gloriosum. So cute. Okay, that's exciting. I'm just gonna pick these up one by one and assess if they need water. This actually might be okay for a little bit longer. Because this one is in a ceramic pot, it usually doesn't, well, it definitely doesn't need water as often as a lot of the other plants in the cabinet because they are in terracotta, but no, I think she will be good for a few more days at least. This is her newest leaf here. So cute. So I just kind of set them off on the other side of the counter. Need to move this pot. Okay, next, Hoya obovata. It has some new growth just starting. If you can see at the tip there, so cute. Look at this new leaf, it's huge. I love this Hoya so much. It's amazing. Okay, let's give it some water. Oh my gosh, almost threw the whole watering can. So I usually put like a bowl or something underneath because I don't want to waste the water. So at least that's what I've been doing recently, because I realized I was wasting a lot of water, especially with the fertilizer in it. And I just kind of let the plants run into that bowl, and then I'll reuse the water that runs through it. Oh my gosh, my Frydek is putting out a new leaf there as well. Look at that. Wow, everybody's just doing the most. Man, these plants are pretty dry. It's so crazy, like, how much I have to water the plants in the greenhouse. You would think that because of the humidity, they would need less water, but I think because of the grow lights and the fans going, the plants dry out pretty quickly, which is fine. I don't mind watering them. Okay, next, this is one of my philodendron Camposportuanum. It's like a little squishy, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and water it because I know I'm just gonna forget. There's a new leaf coming out of the tip there. I know I'm just gonna forget, so I'm just gonna give it some water. This thing needs to be repotted soon too. Next is my dragon scale. Look at that newest leaf. They just keep getting better and better. I can't believe it. I remember when I thought that this was the most impressive leaf in the world, and then it gave me this one, and then it gave me this one. Like, this plant is unreal. Honestly, it's so cool. Oh, there's like new little growth. See if you guys can see in the soil. Do you see that new little growth point? Oh my gosh, exciting. I don't know why I always start filming without the light on. There, it's better. Actually just gonna run. Oh, dogs are going. I'm gonna run the water through here one more time. Sometimes I do bottom water these. Probably be better, but just not doing that today. Okay. I'm gonna try to run the water through this one as well. Ooh. Philodendron, El Choco Red. Oh, is that new growth? Thank God. It choked its new leaf out. I was so excited to see it, and it completely broke off, but it looks like there's new growth coming out there. I need to pay more attention to this plant. I need to repot it as well. I'm just gonna water it for now though. Okay, this calathea, which I was asking you guys about in my plant tour because all of its leaves are looking spotty like this. Look at them. No idea why. No idea. Like, it's healthy and keeps growing, but its leaves get so discolored like that. It's really weird. I think I might actually take this out of the cabinet, which might be a bad idea for it, but it's almost touching the grow light. So I think I'm gonna have to take it out. I can't believe how big this thing is. Like, this is huge compared to when I first got it. It was small when I first got it. Anyways, let's give it a drink. Luckily, it's spring and the humidity is good in the house right now, so it'll do fine if I take it out of the cabinet, probably. Maybe I'll be able to keep more of an eye on it too, with the watering and whatnot. Pulled a leaf off of my Syngonium albo. This plant has been doing so well. She went through a really rough patch like a year ago, but she's doing the most now. Love her. Gonna pour this back through. Little begonia that always dries to a crisp in there. My Bromarks Fantasy, which is doing so well. Look at that. Looks so good. Oh, it's not even dry. I don't think I need to water it yet. It's still pretty moist. I would like to repot this soon and get it on a pole of some type. Have a little Hoya Angleriana. Is that what this is? Yes. And it had not given me any new growth until I put it in the cabinet. Now it has new growth coming right there. So cute. Move some of these back into the tray. Okay, last one we have here is the Hoya Walliniana UT152. Beautiful, beautiful Hoya. I can't wait until this one gives me some growth. It hasn't yet. I'm waiting. I'm going to move these guys out of the way and then go grab some of the big ones that we left in the cabinet. Oh my gosh, why is my foot asleep right now? Okay, I'm just gonna set those on the table. Let's go grab the big boys. So the only big one that was left there that needed water was this Gloriosum. The Cebu Blue on the pole was still moist, so I left it there, but let's water this guy. Okay. Love this plant. Okay, so I think, I'm carrying the tripod out to the living room. I think that while I'm, you know, going in and doing this, I should just remove the rest of the plants so that we can wipe down the glass because it's pretty nar-nar. I don't know if you can see, but it's quite dirty. So I'm just gonna pop everyone out and then we can give it a little clean. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with the Method glass cleaner and some paper towel. Okay, it's all clean and shiny. I'm just gonna go ahead and put the plants back in and arrange them however I would like. So there's a little more room down here since I'm taking out the Calathea White Star that was taking up a huge section here. So yeah, and I moved the fry deck down lower. I was really like picky. I want this, it would look nice if this was at the back, but this has a bunch of peduncles that I think are gonna try to bloom. So I just want it to be in the nice light, you know, getting the best seat. So that's why I was fiddling with that there. I realized at the top I forgot to put in the Cebu Blue, which goes right here, so I'm gonna grab it. I love this thing so much. Oop, oh my gosh. It's a little crooked, but you know, it's all good. Okay, so I think that's pretty much good for the cabinet. Looks really nice. Wiped it all down. It definitely looks a lot less crowded with that Calathea out of there, but yeah, it looks really good. I'm glad that I wiped it all down and everything. It really needed it. Yeah, all the plants in there are very happy. They're gonna continue to be happy. So I think the last thing we're gonna do to complete this video is repot. Oh my gosh, I have one that I forgot to put in. Philodendron gloriosum. I left it sitting in the water too. Okay, let me go clear a spot. And then I'm gonna have to put that one in there. I had a feeling I was missing something. Okay, I made room for him in there. Yeah, it definitely takes up a really big portion. He's probably gonna outgrow the cabinet really soon as well, like probably one more leaf, and I'll have to move him. Same with this tie, I'm gonna have to take that out right away as well. The Cebu, I've just been trimming whenever it gets to the top of the pole, so that can probably stay in there for quite some time, but yeah, okay. Okay, so what I was trying to say before was that the last thing I was gonna do in this video is repot the Calathea White Star. I don't know why I watered it and then, yeah, no, I changed my mind. I'm not gonna repot it, I just watered it. I'll do it once it dries out a little bit, because that's just gonna be messy and not fun. But yeah, I don't know. If you didn't watch my plant tour and you know what's going on with the leaves here, because I know I asked in that video, but I'm asking again in this one because I really do like this Calathea, but it's just so hideous. I don't know. I'm gonna find a spot for it in the plant room. And then like I said, once it dries out, so probably in like a couple of days, I will repot it. I'm just gonna put it right here for now. Just on the floor. There's another Calathea over there, but that has spider mites right now, so we're gonna keep this one way over here. Don't trust them. Don't trust these Calathea. Alright guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you liked taking care of my Ikea greenhouse cabinet with me. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Thank you so much for your ongoing support. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!